organizing friends. After a long winter, spring has finally arrived. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, the flowers are blooming, and it's finally warm enough to be outside. Yay! But are you going to want to be outside in your winter clothes? I don't think so. It's time to spring clean your clothes closet. So stay with me as I give you the 5 must-haves for spring cleaning your clothes closet. Hi, if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, then welcome. I'm Stacey Agin, professional organizer, and I help people get organized so they can have more time in their day, more space in their home, more money in their wallet, and less stress in their lives. For more on how to organize your home and life, hit the big red subscribe button and click the bell next to it to get notified when I post a new video. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to spring clean my clothes closet. Don't get me wrong, I love my Polo Tech pants and my sweaters, but what I love even more is the clothes that come with warm weather. What about you? Do you prefer wearing winter clothes or spring-summer clothes? Let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, are you ready to get your closet organized for warmer weather? Here are the 5 must-haves for spring cleaning your clothes closet. Must-have number 1, time. We're all busy, but it's important to make time to spring clean your clothes closet. One of the basic organizing principles I often share with my clients is the make an appointment with yourself principle. What that basically means is that if you have a task that needs to be completed, you need to block time off on your calendar to make sure that it gets done. Tasks that are scheduled on a calendar are most likely to be completed. Pencil in 15 minutes, a half hour, an hour, whatever amount of time you can manage. Schedule a spring cleaning of your clothes closet when you're most energetic, and keep that appointment as if you'd have to pay a cancellation fee to postpone it. When the warmer temperatures come, you're going to be glad you kept that appointment with yourself. Must-have number 2, garbage bags. As you spring clean your clothes closet, you're going to be making a lot of decisions. The 4 major decisions you're going to be making as you sort through your clothes are keep, toss, repair, or donate. You're going to need some bags for 3 out of those 4 decisions. Grab 2 different colored garbage bags, white and black, and a 3rd bag can be a reusable tote. Designate black for trash, white for donation, and the reusable tote can be used for anything that needs to be repaired. Why use this system? If you use the same colored bag for different categories, you run the risk of accidentally donating your trash or trashing your donations, which I discussed in a recent video. Must-have number 3, paper and pen or tech. In 6 months, are you going to remember that you tossed all of your white t-shirts because they looked grungy? Maybe, or maybe not. As you're sorting through your clothes, keep a list of items that you're going to need to replace in the future. That way, when you're out shopping, you don't have to strain your brain to remember what you purged out and what you need to replace. Just refer to your list and you'll know exactly what purchases you need to focus on. Use pen and paper or a phone or tablet to create that list, whichever works best for you. Must-have number 4, flat surfaces. When you're doing a spring cleaning of your clothes closet, it's important to have a flat surface for you to be able to sort your clothes on. If your clothes are in the bedroom, use your bed. If your clothes are not in a bedroom, use some chairs, some plastic tubs, or some boxes to sort your clothes out into categories. Now, if the floor is your only option, take a flat sheet and lay it out on the floor and sort your clothes on top of it. Must-have number 5, drink and snack. Spring cleaning a clothes closet is hard work. Winter clothes are heavy, and sometimes the emotional weight of some of your clothes can be heavy as well. Even if you ate before you started to organize your clothes closet, have a drink and a snack at arm's reach. That way you don't have to leave the room if you get hungry and lose focus on the project that you're working on. And please, make sure whatever drink you have has a lid or a cap. You don't want to spill any liquids on all the clothes that you've been organizing. I hope these 5 must-haves for spring cleaning your clothes closet will inspire you to dive right in and get organized. Bye-bye boots, hello flip-flops. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's about to start spring cleaning their clothes closet. For more organizing tips like these, hit the big red subscribe button and click the bell next to it to get notified when I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, keep on organizing!